everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into personalized CRM forms. So, glad you see, hit that like button and let's get started. Personalized CRM forms. Personalized CRM forms automatically fill in customer data, making them convenient for surveying regular customers. Clients won't need to re-enter information already stored in CRM form. Personalized form work only for customers already in CRM. The following fields can be autofilled. First name, last name, company name, phone number, and email. These will be filled automatically. How to set up personalized CRM form? Consider the example of anything that needs to collect some information feedback after a code, anything, after your service. Create a CRM form and include all necessary fields for feedback. In our example, the form will be displayed some basic customer details information and common field. I will also add a subtitle to tag or anything. Ask for the feedback. Use variables to customize your form. I'm adding title as feedback. Please. I'm saving it. How to create links to personalized form. In CRM, create an automation rule to send a link to the form to customers. Select your preferable communication channel like email, SMS, or chat. For example, use the send mail to customer automation rule at any stage. At task completion stage, I am adding add subject line, add test as you want. To add a link to the form, click on the three buttons and select personalized CRM form. Pick the desired form from the list you created. Like this. When the mail is sent, the link of the form will replace the tag and save it. Personalized CRM forms automatically fill the CRM customers' data, making them convenient for serving regular customers. They work only for customers already in CRM and can fill like name, company, phone number, and email. Create a CRM form if necessary fields and add an automation rule to send the form link via mail, SMS, or chat. Ensure contact info is complete before sending. The link to the personalized CRM form remains active for 2 weeks. After that, it will become a regular CRM form link. If your client has not filled out the form within 2 weeks, then send them a fresh link. This is all about personalized CRM forms. If you found this video helpful, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, hit that bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.